Hello, lovely people. Welcome and welcome back to this channel. In case you're new here, my name is Naomi. To the returning subscribers, thank you so much. I love you. I love you so much. So today, guys, I just want us to do some cleaning, and we are particularly doing washing this dispenser. I realized that it's been a while since I washed it, so today I just decided I'm going to give it a thorough wash before I put my water on it.
Lions roaring in the morning sun.
So here I'm just removing the water, the remains of the water through this outlet. There's an outlet behind the dispenser, so I'll just remove it so that I can start washing it.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone.
I'm going to wash it, and I'm just using hot water, and I added some vinegar. I didn't want to add soap because I didn't want it to have that soapy smell, so I just used vinegar and hot water to clean it.
Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
So here I took this brush. It's a small brush from my kitchen, just to wash with it to remove the dirt in between these lines. Yeah.
Savannah.
For this lid too, I'm using hot water and vinegar and this brush just to clean it, and I will also rinse it with hot water.
The lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land.
Here I'm just rinsing the dispenser. I have already washed it, so I'm just rinsing and removing the water, and make sure that I remove all of the water so that I can put my my water there.
Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand.
So here my dispenser is clean, and I'm just going to place the water on top. Yeah, and then we'll clean the living room together.
Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah.
So after that, what I'm going to do is clean this living room. I wanted to give it a thorough cleaning, and here I'm just opening the curtains. It was actually sunny morning, and I decided to just wipe these seats. Of course, you know, when you have a baby, your seats Most of the times are usually dirty somehow because of the falling food, especially for me. I don't have a table, so my baby fits when sitting on the couch.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk.
So after wiping my seats, I'm going to remove Reina's things from this TV holder uh, so that I can wipe it with ease. I'm actually using wipes to wipe my TV holder or TV stand, and I saw this trick from Tina, and actually it's doing justice. It's really wiping well. It wiped even the glass, as you can see, it wiped so well, and I liked it.
Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. Got drunk off your love, and I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in. You're playing with fire. No, I didn't I'm the prey, but this time I won't collapse like I did yesterday. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it, I can't give it, I won't give it this time. You broke my heart once again. With your breath and your body for me. I can't.
I'm going to remove this rag from here so that I can wipe the floors, since I'm going to push the chairs. So I'm going to remove it, and actually will wash it later, maybe this weekend or next week. Yeah. Here I decided to wipe the window. It wasn't really dirty, it was actually washed, but I just decided to wipe it to remove the dust.
I can't give in. I've already run with the wolves. Far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you. I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side.
So let's just enjoy the music as we wash the floors.
Don't moon. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger. I'm stronger. I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today. Tú tienes la pócima para enloquecerme, pero voy a draw the line. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. Sé que como un trofeo quieres tenerme, pero I don't need no one. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. No, 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 baby, no, 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 no setbacks. No, 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 baby, no, 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 this time. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it, I can't give it, I won't give it this time. You broke my heart once again. With your breath and your body for me. I can't give it, I can't give it. I've already run with the wolves. Far from There's some little moments it was easy just
This is how the house turned out, and it felt so clean, and I felt so good. It feels so good to be in a clean space, and I was so happy. That Masai shuka you can see there, it's always there because of my baby. I always put it there for her as she eats. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that you got motivated. So here I'm just putting back Reina's animals. They are always there since she loves playing with them, always asking questions, what is this, what is that? Yeah, so she loves seeing them there. That's why I put them back. She actually told me to put them back there. And that is what I did after cleaning. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe so that you can get more of cleaning motivation and a lot of other things. So until I see you on my next video, bye bye. I love you.